there's a mountain bike race going on up at Marshall Mountain, and today is just the prelims, kind of the course practice day. And there was a gal from Colorado that was going off one of the jumps towards the top of the mountain, and it sounded like she had a pretty bad wreck. Some other riders witnessed it, and she fell trying to land the jump and hurt her lower back. So it was just kind of some difficult access and required us to use what we call a Stokes basket to put her on a backboard and in a Stokes basket, and then we have wheeled litter to get her out.
About how long did the rescue take, Rob?
Oh, it was about an hour and a half, I'd say.
And where was the girl from, do you know?
She was from Colorado.
From Colorado, okay. And was anybody else injured? Was she the only one that was injured?
Nope, she was the only one. It was just the practice course today. The race, actual race is tomorrow. So she was just doing a practice run and was not able to land the jump properly and injured her back. So
was she taken then to St. Pat's or community, or where'd you take her?
To St. Patrick's Hospital.
Okay. Would you say the injuries are serious, or do you think she'll be okay?
I think she's going to be okay.
All right. She's young and in shape anyway, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yep, exactly.
How old was she, do you know?
I want to say early 20s. She was a college student.